You've downloaded the app, you've uploaded your ID. Now you're ready to buy your first shares on the Ghana Stock Exchange. But then you see it pending. Days go by and nothing changes. Now you are missing out on the market moves and you are starting to wonder, is your money safe or did you do something wrong? The most frustrating part is that nobody tells you exactly what's causing the delay. You refresh the app every day, hoping to see approved, but nothing changes. Meanwhile, you hear stories of people already buying shares and receiving dividends while you are still stuck at the starting line. Today, we are going to fix this. I've analyzed hundreds of comments and reached out to experts to find out the exact reasons why CSD accounts in Ghana get delayed. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to push your application through. And more importantly, you will know which mistakes to avoid so that you don't end up waiting weeks or months for an approval that could have taken just few days. Now, what is CSD and why does the approval take time? Firstly, let's understand the gatekeeper. That's the Central Securities Depository. This is a national database regulated by the Bank of Ghana. Think of it this way. If anyone could create an investment account without proper verification, fraudsters could manipulate the system. That's why every detail you submit must be checked against official records before approval is granted. Every single account is manually verified for KYC. That is, know your customer. This isn't just a red tape. It's what keeps the market secure. Usually, it takes 1 to 3 business weeks for your account to be approved. If you've been waiting for longer, one of these things is likely to be corporate. Reason number 1, the image quality. That is the number 1 reason for rejection. That is when photos are blurry. It may sound surprising, but something as simple as poor lighting can delay your account. The verification team must clearly see every detail on your ID card. If even one section is unreadable, the review process can stop immediately. If the CSD scanner cannot read your Ghana card number, or if there is a glare over your face, the system flags it automatically. Make sure you use natural light, no flash, and place the card on a flat surface. And also check that all 4 corners of the ID card are visible. If any part is cropped out, the document may be considered incomplete. If all this doesn't work, try re-uploading a scan instead of a photo. Reason number 2. This is the one that catches everyone off guard. Many investors assume a slight difference in spelling doesn't matter. Unfortunately, financial systems don't think like humans. They look for exact matches. That's the name on your IC Wealth profile. Match your Ghana card and your mobile money registration exactly. If your MoMo name is different from your legal card, the system detects a potential fraud risk. Even sometimes, as small as a missing middle name or an extra initial can trigger additional verification checks. That's why consistency across all your documents is extremely important. Contact your telecommunication network to ensure your MoMo name matches your Ghana card. Then update your IC World profile to match it. The goal is simple. Every document connected to your investment account should tell exactly the same story about who you are. Reason number 3, missing secondary documents. Sometimes the app asks for a digital address or a utility bill. Many skip this or provide an old digital address. Sometimes people move to a new location but continue using an outdated address. When the verification team cannot confirm your residential information, the application may be placed on hold. The CSD requires a verifiable residential address. If your GPS code doesn't pull up a valid location, your account stays in limbo. Remember, this isn't about making registration difficult. It's about ensuring that every investor can be properly identified and contacted when necessary. Reason number 4, broker queue and manual pushing process. Sometimes the system is simply overwhelmed. When thousands of investors try to open accounts At the same time, support teams naturally experience a backlog. Your application may be perfectly fine, but it's simply waiting its turn in the queue. If it's been 3 to 4 weeks and you've not heard anything, you need to follow up. Don't be afraid to follow up professionally. A polite email or phone call can sometimes bring attention to an application that requires manual review. You can just go by, "Dear team, my CSD account for," you put your name and your number there, "has been pending for this number of days." Now you add the number of days that your account has been pending. "Please check for any missing requirements." That's it. If there is anything wrong, you'll be notified. Always include your registration phone number and any reference number provided during registration. This makes it easier for the support team to locate your account quickly. I believe if you follow these steps, your pending account will be approved in no time. Once you are approved, the world of the Ghana Stock Exchange is open for you. Don't let a small technical fault stop you from building your wealth. The investors who succeed are often the ones who stay patient, pay attention to details, and take action when something needs fixing. A delayed account approval is frustrating, but it's usually only a temporary obstacle. And if your account is still pending, after following all these steps, leave a comment below describing your situation, and I'll help you. If this video inspired you, drop "resolved" in the comment section once your account is approved. Remember, your investment journey doesn't begin when you make your first profit. It begins the moment you decide to take control of your financial future. Let's get that account approved and get you started.